Hello everyone, my name is Avishkar ramesh raut. I am from Nasik, Maharashtra, and currently I am pursuing a mechanical engineering from KBT College of Engineering, Nasik. So today I will go to represent my topic, which is name is a shaded pole motor and their construction and application. So we can start with the introduction. In introduction, we can see the what is the shaded pole motor. A shaded pole motor is a single phase induction motor and it part of pole covered by a copper shading ring. It produces a weak rotating magnetic field and it is used for a low power applications like a fan. So I hope you understand the what is the shaded pole motor. We can go in the next slide. Construction. Now let us understand the construction of a shaded pole motor. The construction is very simple and it has a three main part. First is the stator. Stator is the stationary part and it has a poles and winding. It produces a magnetic field when the supply is given. Second is the rotor, which is a squirrel cage type of rotor. It is inside the stator and it rotates when the motor start. Third is the shading coil. Mm, Shading coil, which is a ring placed on a small part of each pole. This shading coil is very important because it creates a delay in the magnetic field. Because of this, the motor can start automatically. So overall, the construction is a simple, compact, and low cost. I hope you understand the construction. We can go in the next part. Working. Now let us understand the how it works. When AC supply is given, magnetic field is produced. A shading coil creates in a magnetic field. So two magnetic fields are formed. One is a normal and one is a delay. Because of this difference, a rotating magnetic field is produced. The rotating field makes the rotor start rotating automatically. So no extra starting devices are required. I hope you understand the working of shaded pole motor. We can go in the next slide. Types and classification of shaded pole motor. There are two types based on number of poles and based on designs. So based on number of pole, first is a two pole motor and second is a four pole motor, and based on design, single shaded pole and multiple shaded pole. So I hope you understand the types and classification. So we can go in the next slide. Application and characteristic. So there are the application of shaded pole motor. First is a small electric fan, second exhauster fan, refrigerator fans, hair dryers, small blowers, that all are the application of shaded pole motor. And there are some characteristic like a low power motor, simple construction, low starting torque, low efficiency. That are the characteristic of shaded pole motor. So I hope you this will understand. We can go in the next slide. Advantages and limitation. So advantages of shaded pole motor. First is a simple construction, low cost, reliable operations, no starting devices are required, and compact size, low maintenance. That all are the advantages of shaded pole motor. And there are the few limitations like low efficiency, low starting torque, no not suitable for heavy loads and high slip, limited power rating. That type of limitation are shaded pole motor. I hope you can understand the advantages and limitation of shaded pole motor. We can go in the next slide. Summary. So overall the summary of this, the shaded pole motor is the simple single phase induction motor. It uses shading coil for a self starting and it produces a weak rotating magnetic field. It is suitable for low power applications. It is a simple but low efficiency. So at the end of this video, thanks for the watching.